Hello, Excel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of auto-numbering. Have you ever struggled with maintaining the order of your rows, especially when you delete one? It can be a real headache. But fear not, because I'm about to show you a simple and efficient solution. For this demonstration, I've an Excel sheet with a list of US presidents in chronological order. Let's say you have a similar dataset. You want to keep the order intact, and when you delete a president from the list, the numbering gets all messed up. It's a common frustration. But Excel has a fantastic feature to automate this process. Let me walk you through it. You'll need a simple formula. Start by typing equal to begin a formula, and then type row, open bracket, and closed bracket. Now, here's the crucial part. We want Excel to count how many rows are above the current one, so you need to subtract 1. So it's row, open bracket and closed bracket, minus 1. Press enter. Now, copy this formula and drag it down to fill the entire column, extending from the top to the bottom of your list. That's it. Your numbers are automatically generated, and they update themselves as you add or delete presidents. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to auto-number your Excel rows effortlessly. If you found this tip helpful and want to explore more Excel knowledge, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with my latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy Excelling!